Welcome back, everyone. So now we're going to be doing the transmission drain and fill on this Acura that we're still working on. I think if you want to first start off making sure that you can actually remove the plug where you're going to fill the fluid from. So the plug is located in the front of the engine, right? And as you can see it where my 17 millimeter socket with two 6-inch extensions come out, and this you just sit here right by the brake fluid reservoir. So make sure you're able to crack this open, because it does take quite a bit of force to get out. I cracked it loose already. And then underneath the car, I'll show you guys where you need to loosen the drain plug for it. So if you come underneath the car, you don't even have to lift the vehicle up. Just make sure you're in a level surface, right? And the drain plug for the transmission sits right there. There's an inspection plate that you can look at over there, your oxygen sensor that you see there, and that is your drain plug. So it's just a 3/8 ratchet. You can use an extension if you want to, just be ready. But like I mentioned, I don't have the car jacked up or anything, and you just crack that open, and then I'll show you guys the fluid draining out. And that is how you do it. Okay, so we're still letting it drain just a little bit more, right? But a trick to let you know how much to put back in. So this container is empty, right? And from that, I'm gonna see how much fluid actually came out, and that's how much fluid I'm gonna put back in. It's a quick little trick, so that way you don't have to wait for the procedure to let the transmission warm up, check the to operating temperature, and then you're going to check the fluid, see if it's low or not. This way it takes all the guesswork out of it, and you just can figure out how much how much transmission fluid you need to put back in. Okay, so once the fluid at the bottom has finished and it's just now dripping, then this is what I have. My setup here is just a long funnel, right? And it goes into the fill port of where I removed this 17 millimeter bolt right here. But yeah, just measure how much that came out, and then you'll be able to know how much you need to put in when you go filling it up. But hope this video helps. Until next time.